Hello, welcome back. You're welcome to Glomajos Business School. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make, yes, you guessed right, candle. We'll be learning how to make candle today from beginning to the end, from the equipment to the type of waxes to everything you need to know about starting a candle business. Candle making is one of the easiest and most profitable small businesses that you can earn daily income from. And today, candle is no longer just for lighting. It is used for decorations, for birthdays, in parties, in hotels, everywhere. So if you learn this, it is daily income for you. So let's jump right into the type of candles that we have. We have different types of candle, but here I'll be telling you about 5 types. We have the pillar candle. We have the scented candle that is for mainly aromatherapy, that is for the soothing effect it has. We have beautiful container candle that is made with beautiful containers just for decoration. We have floating candles for decoration as well. It is used for weddings, for occasions in the spas and the rest. We have beautifully shaped candles with beautiful molds like silicone molds, like teddy bear, like hearts, and the rest of them. You see this one. So this one is the normal candle that we know, the white candle that this is the one we use in our homes every day. So let's look at the type of waxes. Candle is made majorly from wax. The major raw materials in candle making is wax, and we have different types. You will choose the type of wax you want to use depending on your goal, your objective. So we have the paraffin wax, which is the major one we use, the most popular one. It is affordable. It is very, very accessible. We have the soy wax, we have the beeswax wax, we have the coconut wax, we have the palm wax. So you choose the type of wax you want to use based on your objective. And the popular one we know is paraffin wax. Yes, that is it. This one is, you can see it anywhere. Just go to any chemical shop. Tell them you want to buy paraffin wax, they will give it to you. This is the same wax that is used to make petroleum jelly. So let's now look at the type of equipment that we need to make candles. Yeah, so number one, they are simple equipment. Simple candle making is very, very easy. We need the candle wick, we need a source of heat and a cooking pot. We need a sustainer, something you can use to centralize your candle wick. You need the pouring pitcher if you want. You need essential oils if you're making scented candle. You need colors if you want to make different colors of candle, blue colors, red colors. You need your mold because your candle takes the shape of your mold. And these are some of the equipment that you'll be needing. These are industrial candle making machines, that if you want to produce candle in large scale, then you can use this one. This one is imported. This one, it comes in different sizes. We have 50 holes, we have 100 holes, we have 200 holes. This one is already automated. It has the heater, as in the boiling vessel. It has everything. But we also have locally produced one. Yes, this one is made locally. If you want to buy this one, yes, we can make this one for you. This one also comes in different holes. It has 100 holes, it has 50 holes, it has 200 holes, depending on your capacity and your budget, depending on how much you have available for you. So that done, let's jump right into the video. Yeah, now we go. The first thing you make is to cut, like I told you, candle wax. The wax itself is the major raw material. So you get your wax and you cut them into little chunks, little bits. You can either melt your wax using the double boiling method or the direct heat. If you want to do double boiling method, you put water in this big container, then put your candle wax in the smaller one, put the big container on the fire, then put this one inside. That's double boiling. After you're done with that, then this is how you set your instrument. You get your mold, get the candle wick with the metal holder underneath, put a glue underneath it and put it at the center of your mold. Make sure it's centralized. Then you get a sustainer, they call it candle wick sustainer, put it on top so that your wig will be at the center. Then you're ready to go. After that, okay, this is what I did with my own. I improvised. I don't have all those equipment because I'm just trying to show you how to make them. So what I did was I used a broomstick, I used a candle wick, even a stove wick, and I used stone. Don't mind me, you can become creative and just do something. And I used stone as my wig holder down just to hold the wigs down so that it does not float when I pull my melted wax. So I put it underneath it. I use broomstick. You can see what I did, but I've showed you the normal thing to do. The normal thing to do is to use a wig holder. If you're doing this commercially, then put it at the center, use a glue to hold it down so that it does not float, and then you use a candle sustainer or a centralizer, as it is called. You saw it you can see it in the image, to centralize so that the candle wick is at the middle when you pour your wax. So that I'm done. So I'm doing direct heat. I'm melting. If you're making maybe candles for decoration, for aromatherapy and the rest, the best is for you to use the double boiling method. But here I'm showing you example. I'll be adding essential oil and I'll be adding color. I want you to see you can use different colors that you want: blue color, red color, yellow color, but you use the oil-based color. So this is my candle is melting. I'm using the direct heat method. So I just cut them into bits, the wax, and then I put them in a bowl to melt. So we are done melting. That is it. So I'm using a silicone mold here because I want my candle to take the shape of this silicone mold. So I'm using the silicone mold. So that's one. In case you're missing, my name is Ogechi Madukoma, and on this channel, I teach you different things. I teach you different skills that will help you earn income or start saving. So this is me. I've added color. I've added essential oil. I want it to be smelling well. So what I did was, in the first place, there you can see my colored candle now. The first one I did the plain white, and here I'm adding essential oil. Can you see? Wow! Just few hours, the candle is ready. Can you see? It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Can you see the stone I used underneath it? And we are done. So in case you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome here. Please do well to subscribe to this channel as I load you with valuable videos weekly. And also, if you find value here, please do well to like those videos so that YouTube shows it to more people that needs to see it. Also, share it for your people. Share it. Candle business is one business that can earn you money every day. And candle business is no longer used for only lightning anymore. It is a big, big business. It is a big, big that will make you millions of money. If you position yourself well, you can start to be making decorative candle. You're making candles for aromatherapy that people will be inhaling in their homes, and the smell alone can cause healing. Okay, now we are lighting our candle. Let's go. Can you see? These candles are not beautiful. Please give me a like. If you are beautiful, please give me a like. Give me a like. It is easy. It is simple. It's just for you to sit down and think of what to do and do it. Just be creative. That is one thing I like about making this craft that we make. You understand? So it is very simple. Very, very simple. Can you see? See how beautiful they are. Just in less than 10 minutes, I was done melting my wax. I poured into my mold, and before I know it, it is solid. So I will see you in my next video.